Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing really very well. Now this video is all about the fastest growing fern that is perfect for hanging basket. Believe me, it's the absolutely fastest growing ferns that I have seen so far, plus it's also very easy to grow. The name of the fern is Asparagus Fern and trust me, they grow extremely fast. I am also going to show you how they were looking just 40 days back, and I know that you are going to get a big shock by looking at the plants how they were just 40 days back. But anyway, let me show you how they were looking at the time of repotting, and I am also going to discuss some other things like the type of the soil we need to provide, the water requirements, sunlight and fertilizer requirements, so that you can grow it very easily at your home. So let's begin the procedure. So this is how they were looking just 40 days back. So here you can see they were looking very small and they grew extremely fast in just 40 days. Now let me show you the type of soil I used. For the potting soil mix, I used 3 different components in equal part. One part is coco peat, second part is vermicompost, and the last part is perlite. So we can say that we are safe to use soil-less media to grow the asparagus fern. At the time of repotting, I used just 6 inch of containers, and then I placed this pot in one of my other hanging containers. So next I am just going to repot both of the plants, and I hope you can just take a look at the procedure. So here I am today just after 40 days, and you can see they are growing really very well. Now let us discuss some other things like sunlight, water requirements and fertilizers. So the very first important thing is sunlight. See, most of the ferns prefer the indirect bright light, but for asparagus fern, we can provide them direct sunlight, and if we provide, they would be growing really very fast. I am keeping my plants just right here, and it's below 2 of my other plants. On the left side I have the Rangoon creeper, and on the right side I have the alamanda plant. See, my balcony is west facing and afternoon sunlight is really very intense, and that's why I was trying to protect my ferns from too much of intense sunlight, and that's why it was getting the direct sunlight, but at the same time it was also getting some kind of protections because I have these 2 taller plants just above the ferns. While talking about the water requirements, please let the topsoil dry out and then only water your ferns. As you can see here, my soil is still looking moist, so I will be waiting for next 2 to 3 days, and whenever I see the soil is looking somewhat dry, that time only I will be watering my plants. For the fertilizers, I am using this Growth Plus fertilizer. Please note that I am using this so that you can also buy it online and use it on your plants. I will put the link in the description box, and please note that I have been using this from last few months, getting good result, and only that's why I am recommending you to use it. Now how to use it? It's really very easy. Just take 3 ml in 1 liter water. The manufacturers says that we can use 5 ml in 1 liter water, but I found that using 3 ml is much safer. Take 3 ml in 1 liter water, mix it well, and then we can use near about 250 ml to 500 ml for one plant. We can apply the same fertilizer once in 15 to 20 days. So far I have used only once and it was 15 days back. That's why today I am applying once again. So I have discussed about the most important things that you need to know to grow the asparagus fern very easily at your home. Now let's talk about two of the most important things, because I believe you should know about these two. First one is asparagus ferns have really strong thorns, and that's why please be careful if you have kids at your home. The ferns look really lovely and kids might want to play with them, and that time they might get hurt, and once again I am saying you please be careful. The second thing is they are toxic to pets, and that's why again please be careful if you have pets at your home. So guys, this is all about the fastest growing fern and easiest ferns that is perfect for hanging basket. But still you can also consider growing the Boston fern, because Boston fern also looks quite great in hanging basket, but they don't grow faster like the asparagus fern. Now in one of my recent video where I have shown the list of plants for hanging basket, I got a comment like it's not the Boston fern. Instead it's known as Nephrolepis exaltata. Unfortunately, if we refer to Wikipedia page, we can find that Nephrolepis exaltata is also known as the short fern or Boston fern. Again, I could not find any info about the Norwoody fern, so definitely I am going to call this one as a Boston fern. However, there is a little catch. See, there are many varieties whenever we talk about the Boston fern, and after doing lots of research, I came to know that this variety is known as cotton candy. Please correct me if I am wrong. I know that I may be wrong as well, but I am 100% sure that Nephrolepis exaltata is also known as the short fern or the Boston fern, because this is what I can find on Wikipedia page. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, you already know what to do. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you very much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great day and enjoy.